Alright, if you are bored on this rainy day, I've made some hundreds chart mystery pictures here for you to do digitally. I'll show you how to do it. I just have a simple one here first. It says that green is these letters right here. So what I'll do is I'm going to find 2. So 1, 2. I'm going to click in it. I'm going to find this paint bucket. And it says it needs to be green. So I'm just going to pick any green I want. Then number 4. I'm going to click in number 4, find the paint bucket, make sure I choose the same green. 12, 14, so 2 plus 10 is 12. 14. Oh, I see I picked the wrong color there. Then I got 22 and 24, so 22, 24. I know this is 24 because 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 10 is 14 and 44. Now I see here 32, 33, and 34, so I can just highlight those all together. I'm going to click. I'm not going to pick up, but I'm just going to drag, and I'm going to fill all 3 of those at the same time. I'm also seeing a pattern. 32, 42, 52, 62. So I'm just going to drag here, fill, drag right there, fill, fill. And then purple is 17, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 10 is 17. I'm going to fill with a bright purple. Ooh, 37, 47, 57, 67, I can do those. Well, 17 plus 10 is 27. And then I want 37, so I'm going to click and drag down 47, 57, 67, find the paint bucket, and fill it. And I just wanted to say hi to you guys on this kind of crazy rainy day. Here's 2 more right here that I found and put on there. I know that they don't all fit on the screen, but they're there for you to see, alright? Have fun!